Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily extend the video durations in CapCut. So here I have a 26 seconds long video, and if you want to do you want to make your videos longer, you need to slow down the speed. And here's what you need to do. So just click on the clip, go to speed, click on normal, and slow it down by dragging the circle to the left. So for example, I want to slow it down by 0.5 times. Click that, and now the video will become 52 seconds. Now you can just click on the check icon and your video duration will be extended like this. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.